It's full steam ahead at Woodpeckers, and one tool we're working on this week is the bevel squares and angle reference plate. So let's take a quick look inside the shop and see what's going on. The blades of the bevel squares are cut out on big sheets of stainless steel in our state-of-the-art laser cutter. The stainless steel blades are then cleaned up, and the edges are precision milled to keep the tool within tolerance. After milling, the machinist inspects each and every blade to ensure quality and accuracy. Next, we're milling the bodies of the bevel squares out of solid blocks of aluminum. We then thoroughly inspect the part for accuracy. Meanwhile, another CNC is running the angle reference plate out of solid blocks of aluminum. After the parts are anodized with our famous Woodpeckers red, they are precision laser engraved with angle markings. We're hard at work and continuing to manufacture and ship out tools, including the bevel squares and other one-time tools. So stay tuned for more updates.